Okay, so in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you how from your phone you join our classes. So this is the group, our WhatsApp group. Okay, all you need to do is we send you the group links. Okay, all right, so there's a class here, there's a class economics by 8 to 9. All you need to do is click this. You can see this is a Google Classroom where we put our recorded videos. Okay, we show you how to join the class, how to navigate into the classroom. We show you all this. Okay, so here all you need to do is you click here and it will take you into the class. So you should have a Google Meet app, okay, on your phone. All right, so you join with an email. All right, let me join with this. Not now. Okay, so you see my picture there. You can put off your camera, put off your microphone, and you click join. You can see the meeting is what's recording. You can see the people that are in class right now. All right,
MLT. So we are going to have.
Can you see? This is how you join from your phone. This is a current class going on now.
N raised power minus 1.
Do you see?
N raised power 3. T raised power minus 2. So if you now compare,
so this is your phone. You know, you are home. You know, you can, when you click here, you can see here it becomes large. You can, you know, turn. Okay.
I'm going to have x equals to minus 1.
All right. So it depends on how big your phone is and all that. Okay. So do you see how it is?
Minus 2. Is that clear?
Okay. So this is how you. You know, if you have a question, you raise your hand. If you have, if you want to speak, you let me not speak so I don't disturb the class. Okay, you can see they're using the DTW app, okay, to practice. We always use that in our classes to practice. Okay, filter out questions. Okay.
It's always reading 2012.
Are you seeing that? So this is how you attend classes on your phone if you don't have your laptop. Okay, that's how, as easy as that. Do you see that? Do you see everyone, you know, going and speaking? You can see how interactive it is with your teachers. Okay, so which person's microphone is on now? Okay, let's see. Okay, someone's microphone is on. Okay, so this is how you join classes, all right, and follow through with classes. All right, thank you. Do make sure you join DTW tutorials, all right, and you know, for your maximum guaranteed success in your examination. In your JAMB 2025 examination, you are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He is the life. Take care. You are destined to win.